Well, how nice of them. He's letting them cross.
100%.
Wow. So where are you going in?
We ain't going in. We in.
Oh, we in?
We in,
bro. Oh no, do you know what I'm about?
First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped. Landed on his hip and busted his lip. For a week he had to talk with a list. Like
Sketchy on wrist.
now we can end the story right here.
Yeah, it was great. I got to zoom in on these.
It was something in the air, yeah. He said it was something so appealing. He couldn't fight the feeling, something about it. He knew he couldn't doubt it, couldn't understand it. Branded, since the first kickflip he landed. Labeled a misfit, a bandit. His neighbors couldn't stand it, so he was banished to the park. Started in the morning, one stopped after dark. Yeah, when they said it's getting late in here. So I'm sorry, young man, there's no skating here.
That's it. Oh, nice try. Nice try, nice tip, nice tip. Do it, yeah, empty it out, man. Get you situated. Set the board!
I'm bathing.
Shit.
You already know.
Hey. Just give us words of encouragement. What do you do in this skate situation? You're trying to land something hard, huh? How you trying to land that?
Yeah, so like I feel like I need to ease into the tray flip a little bit.
Oh my god, that was so fucking close.
Holy shit, I actually stuck it.
No, this is rain. So close, man, so close.
Bro, this shit right here, like, who put this here?
You put this angle down here, bro.
It's fucking an angle and a half, brother.
Oh! Oh, full send it though. You full send it. Oh, do it again. Start like that. About to hit it. About to hit it. That was close in the first one, dude. Oh, so close.
No, like for real though, like I can do like one more.
Alright.
I can do like one more try and then my back's gonna give out because I'm full.
Oh, fucking hell, dude. Riding that shit back toward me. Woo! That's what is up.
Fuck yeah.
That was like, good. Like you got it all that. You're just like, yeah, dude. Like, yeah. All right, here. This is a normal footage recording. Bro, drop it. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Just drop it, bro. Just do it. Hell yeah. You can do it, bro. It'll be straight. It'll be straight.
Just grab right there. There's no pull. Please. That's all. Alright. Keep going. Alright, let's go. Let's go. They put the pizza in the fridge.
Why is it still here, dude?
I don't know.
Dude, my shoes are soaked. Fuck it. Why is it coming down?
Holy shit, yeah. Is your phone waterproof?
It's water resistant.
That's what I want to hear.
IP whatever fucking thing. We'll put that there, right? Who put that there, bro? Was it these guys? Did they put that there? They put that there?
Like, before they did something, it was straight.
Oh, really? Oh, that's an addition?
No, I'm just playing.